So what I'm doing, you see the photo ends right there, exactly in the wrong place. So I'm just giving him a hand and just dropping this because I think it's more interesting that way. And I'm going to extend this set of cabinets. I'll extend this set of cabinets so it runs out beyond the picture frame, and then you know, everything in the background is going to be in the background just the way that it is here. But I also like this one because for the same reason, you know, it's science based. So if someone's doing the selfie, right, someone could easily stand in front, no problem. That's always never a problem. And someone can also get in this space here.
Behind them.
Yeah, I like the idea that someone's in here like this. And then I like the idea that when this is framed in the camera, that you get like a nice rectangle of finished information. And to do that, what we're going to do is either option 1 is suspend this off the ceiling, or option 2 is bring it up off the floor. So one of those two options.
How would this be off the floor then, on some kind of a pedestal stand?
No, on well, you know, actually, now that you just said that, there's no reason why not. Just to do a white sort of floor. No. Like, so the steps would be 7-inch steps, and I'd probably make them 9 or 10 inches deep, which is not a full-size step, but close to it. All my own work.
It is pretty wonderful.
Yeah, so that's that one, and then there's then there's this one, which I just worked on, which is really nice. This one I figured was from. This is the one that I think is in the early 60s.
Yeah, and we kind of figured that out based on clothing and hair.
Yeah, it's early 60s. And then the soccer one works out really, really well. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is going to be perfect. It's a life-size figure. So again, life-size, and the one before that too. Now, with the one before that, with this one, I just made this a little earlier on, and I'm not sure I can make this big because it looks like it's going to be about 12 feet tall, and I think that's too big. I don't think we have that kind of space.
No, it'll hit the ceilings.
Yeah.
So you could, I mean, it only has to.
Well, I can crop it. I can crop into it. Yeah, I can crop into it. I really like this grouping of people. Now, I liked it too because it's, you know, some sort of electrical science, right? So it's, you know, it's not BS, and well, and then there's the women's soccer, which I think is great. I think it's just fantastic, that image, and then this one that we agree. I think that's a cool image right from the get-go too. Yeah. So, all right. So what we've got is something from the 2000. I think that's 1990, 2000.
Yeah.
Something from about 1960-ish. Something from about 1990-ish. Hard to tell.
We don't know.
Oh, it's in that. So it's in that arena. Well, there's that hole in the middle, like I said. So it's just. Oh, and this is the one I just started. Here, sit down.